Hello guys, today I want to talk about new Laravel Eloquent improvement, a small improvement but pretty significant that was released in recent version 9.18, which allows you to load the relationships, nested relationships, a bit more conveniently. So here's the example. We need to load the user with a few relationships, and one of those relationships has a few sub-relationships. So we need to load the posts, which has many, but then we need the posts with tags, which is many-to-many from post, then with author, and then even deeper, so comments to the posts, which also may have tags. And in the blade file, you do for each of the users and load the user with the avatar, load the posts of that user. For every post, you show the author and tags, and then comments, and each comment may have tags as well. Visually, it looks like this. So, author, post with tags, one comment with tags as well, then another user and another user. And it totally works. And first thing I want to show you is not about the new 9.18 functionality, but what happens if we don't load any of those relationships as eager loading. So for example, we don't load the tags here, we'll load only the comments, and then in the blade I will remind you, you do for each of the tags. And let's take a look at the difference in the database queries. So Laravel debug bar at the bottom shows us 7 queries. If we zoom it in a bit, there are 7 queries. So with eager loading, it loads the posts by user IDs, it loads the comment by post IDs, and loads the tags, which is used with Spotty Laravel tags package with eager loading. So if we remove the tags, as I just did now, and if we refresh the page, as you can see, there are 26 queries at the moment. So for each of the comment, there will be tag query, tag query, tag query, tag query, and a lot of duplicate queries. So that's why we need to eager load all of those. Now, what is the change in the new Laravel version? This is the pull request. Tim McDonald, one of the latest Laravel team members who is on fire with new features in Laravel versions, suggested and implemented this syntax. So if you load the relationship and you want to load sub-relationships, you can reference them as array, like this. So instead of this syntax, we have this syntax. I admit it's a bit longer in terms of like vertical code, but it's much more readable that tags and author belongs to posts, then tags here belong to comment. It has structure. This doesn't have structure, especially if you do something like this in a different order, then it becomes harder to read. Then you add another relationship somewhere in the middle in the future maybe. So this is more structured way. Let's comment the old one and reload the page. And we have the same 7 queries with data still here. Everything works. It's just a bit cleaner syntax. And it was celebrated by quite many people, so even on GitHub you can see 24 likes and 7 hearts. So quite a lot of people were waiting for something like this, the change of the syntax, just no one had the time to actually get it done. So thank you, Tim, for the new improvement in Eloquent. And if you want to follow all the news about Laravel, of course subscribe to this Laravel Daily channel to get daily videos. And also I have a newsletter, email newsletter for free, which I send every Thursday with everything that happens in Laravel community for the past week. So subscribe to that, the link will be in the description below. That's it for now, and see you guys in other videos.